What is up, boys? It's Flash. We got a Wednesday night chill session, kind of a stream of consciousness. Show you guys what I'm seeing in the charts. Tough day today, no doubt. I think today is a good day to zoom out a little bit, right? So that's what I'm going to do today when we think about micro strategy. And we're going to be measuring it in Bitcoin. So I think that's kind of a unique idea. Well, it's not unique, but you think about, we're just measuring things in US dollars, right? You know, the regular price of MicroStrategy is the price of the dollar measured in US dollars. So when we think about measuring it in Bitcoin, a different asset, a hard asset that is continuing to emerge in the world, right? It's just a powerful thing. So let me just, again, let's go through Bitcoin chart. I mean, this is on the monthly. I mean, you got a Nichimoku cloud in here, you got a 3-year moving average in here, just powerful, up and to the right, right? Bitcoin is being measured in the US dollar, right? And then you throw on the rainbow wave. Got to zoom back a little bit to get the data, pull it back over. Like, this is just Bitcoin. This is like an insane chart, right? Like, we're going higher. We are going to between, what is that, 180 on February 17th. The top right is 250 May 19th. So this is kind of where this indicator, the Bitcoin rainbow wave, again, thanks to Team Underground for pointing it out. Looking at a top here, okay? So this is going to continue to run, you know, if this indicator holds up. So let's just call that this exercise, right? So, okay, back to if Bitcoin's going to do that, right? We pull up MicroStrategy measured in Bitcoin. Like, this could be a little bit of a Wyckoff. You know, falling wedge, sign of strength, LPS, you know, I'm not sure of the terms, but that looks kind of like Wyckoff to me, in that we're going higher. You know, we had the 3-year moving average on here. Pull up the Ichimoku cloud, poking our heads above that. That's a really strong signal to me on the monthly chart, right? Put on the candle chart, each box that goes by, each candle that goes by, 1 month. So we still have 12 days left in this month. So we'll see where this candle closes, right? But let's zoom in here on the weekly. And I just have this bowl on here as kind of a guideline, right? Let's go back to the monthly, sorry. This bowl is just, you know, it's just a fun guideline kind of think about. But look where this 3-year moving average is. Like, that's what you want to see when a monthly chart could be going parabolic. Big picture here, right? Like, this is December 2024, you know, up here is July 2026, you know, so we got to break out of this consolidation zone. So let's go into the weekly, and I have some lines on here that I'm going to remove and I'm going to add. Let's throw on this parallel channel, take off that SMA, drop into the 2-day. All right, so this is MicroStrategy measured in Bitcoin, the 2-day time frame, with that monthly chart in the back of our heads, right? That monthly chart looks very strong, and we're trying to break through, again, this consolidation zone. They're on some parallel lines here connecting the bottoms, you know, some touch points here. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, let's take it a step further. Go on the daily, on the line. And what I did was pretty much take this ghost pattern, right? So I'm gonna drag this. I just copy that pattern. I'm not gonna adjust the scale. I'm gonna drag that like right here. That's pretty cool. Let's throw a color on that. Whoops. I don't love that color. All right, so this is kind of looking similar. There, when we first broke out, mini top right here, pull back. Top right here, both pull back. Top right here, both pull back, and then the top right here, both pulled back. And I think if we can just follow this fractal, that's where we're at. Again, on a bigger time scale, the daily chart. So that's interesting, you know, something to keep in mind, again, with this monthly chart in the back of our minds. We can zoom in on the monthly, zoom in on the monthly. Zoom out. So like this is kind of following up that bowl, you know, if this thing wants to be a parabola and we want to break out of this consolidation zone. So, I mean, I don't know, something to think about, some channels there. Who knows if it'll hold, but I don't know, it catches my eye a little bit. Drop me a like if you guys found this helpful. Kind of just a chill night tonight, chill video, what I'm seeing. Zoom out. I'll see you guys in the next one.